Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Mrs. Force and I'm going to be reading for you your week 1 quiz. This is the first quiz in part B of the course. Be sure to reach out to your teachers if you have any questions as you are going, and you can pause the video at any time to be able to answer your questions and resume when you are ready. Question 1. Which is not a characteristic of capitalism? Market economy, supply and demand, freedom of competition, a society without social classes. Question 2. What is a stock? A loan to be paid back with interest, a single company that controls an entire industry, the amount of money a company has in the bank, a small piece of ownership in a company. Question number 3. The building of the railroads impacted the economy and new business practices in the late 1800s. Which of these is not one of those impacts? New industries emerged, such as lumber, coal, and steel. They led to longer and unreasonable shipping times for goods and travelers. Cities grew in the West and became shipping centers. They formed corporations and issued stocks and bonds. Question number 4. Imagine you are the owner of a business that makes cell phone covers. You have the opportunity to purchase other companies that make the same product as you. Eventually, you own all the major cell phone cover companies in the United States. What economic concept is explained by the above scenario? Laissez-faire, monopoly, free market, supply and demand. Question number 5. How did monopolies and trusts affect industry and banking in the late 1800s? They introduced new business practices that created large industries and produced great wealth for a few. They set the standard for the development of many large industries and a nationwide banking network. They reduced the effectiveness of banking practices but helped the growth of industries. They produced great wealth that benefited workers. Question number 6. Which is the correct pairing of a leader of industry with his business? Vanderbilt and steel, Carnegie and oil, Rockefeller and the railroad, Morgan and banking. That is it for your week 1 quiz. When you are all done, make sure that you click Submit Quiz and verify in your gradebook that a grade was recorded. If you do have any questions or concerns, please make sure that you reach out to your U.S. history teacher. Good luck!